Every good exercise program needs to have a warm-up series. The warm-up series we have designed here teaches us to go around the vertical axis, maintain good posture, builds in all the elements that we need to use when we're practicing this particular Tai Chi form. So these warm-ups are created to help train your idea of going around the vertical axis, as well as develop the sit, as well as track the knee to the foot. So we began warming up by simply just getting everything going. So we shake slightly, making sure we have good posture. Don't lean forward, don't lean back, don't tilt to the side, just up and down, everything moving. Okay, next one's very simple. It's like you're going to go up and down the pole. So we bend the knees slightly, make sure the knees don't roll to the inside. Stay evenly balanced on your feet. Bring the hands up, let the shoulders relax. And then like a little accordion, you're going to go up and down the pole. Up and down the pole. This is very good for people who have Parkinson's disease. They begin to lose the sit. So we want to develop those hip flexor muscles up and down the pole. That's right. Very easy. Very gentle. Again, don't let the knees roll.